Okay, let me work through a couple more of these from section 6.3. Here there's a common factor of 5 and an x squared, which will leave you with a 3x plus a 1 equals 0. So now this or this equals 0. So what would you plug in here to get 0? Obviously that would just be 0. Here 3x plus 1 equals 0, so 3x equals negative 1, or x equals negative 1/3. So here are your values of x on this one. Number 6, looks like there's a common factor of 2 and a z. Remember, greatest common factor first, which leaves you with something minus something. Take a 2z out, you get 4z. Take a 2z out of 2z, and it goes in there one time. So you got this or this equals 0. So this is going to get you z equals 0. Or this one, you get 4z minus 1 equals 0. Or 4z equals 1, which gets you z equals 1/4. Okay. And let's look at one more down here. You have a common factor of x here, which leaves you with 6x squared minus 7x plus 1 equals 0. So now we need factors here. So we need factors of 6 and factors of 1 that get you 7. So it looks like the 6 and 1 and a 1. So 6x and x, 1 and 1. And then it looks like the signs would both have to be negative in order to multiply together to get you a positive, but combine together to get you a negative. Because this is negative 6x and this is negative 1x, we get you negative 7x. So here's your solutions, here, here, and here. So x equals 0. 6x minus 1 equals 0, or 6x equals 1, which means x equals 1/6. And then here, you got x minus 1 equals 0, or x equals 1. Okay. If you try these, here x should equal 0, x should equal 1/9, and x should equal 1. Maybe try that by graphing. This one should come out to a decimal here. And over here, on this last one, x would equal 0, x would equal negative 1/5, and x would equal 1/3. Okay? And you can go ahead and try those two and see if you get that. You can try that by graphing, or you could try it by factoring.